Dear children, in this video we are going to understand about one organ system of human body, circulatory system. In humans there is a transport system known as circulatory system which helps to transport substances like food, water, oxygen inside our body. The main components of the circulatory system are heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart acts as a pump to push the blood. The blood vessels acts as tubes which help the blood to flow throughout the body. We can see here the diagram of human circulatory system. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood to all the parts of our body through blood vessels. It also receives blood. It is located between the two lungs in the chest cavity. The heart works throughout our life without stopping even for a moment. The heart pumps blood. So, what is blood? It is a red colored fluid that flows throughout the blood vessels from the heart to all parts of the body and then back to the heart. The blood appears red because it contains hemoglobin. It transports nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, water inside the body. The waste products produced in the body is transported to the excretory system with the help of the blood. The blood that flows in blood vessels is in two conditions. One is oxygen rich blood and the other is carbon dioxide rich blood. And so the blood flows in different types of blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tube-like structures that start from the heart and run through the entire body forming a network and from different parts of the body back to the heart. There are three types of blood vessels in the body: arteries, veins and capillaries. Now let us know about arteries, veins and capillaries briefly. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. It normally carries blood rich in oxygen from the heart to all parts of the body. Whereas veins are the blood vessels which carry blood from all parts of the body to the heart. It normally carries blood rich in carbon dioxide from the body to the heart. Children, just note this. Arteries are blood vessels carrying blood away from the heart, and veins are the blood vessels bringing blood to the heart. Next to these are extremely thin blood vessels called capillaries, which connects arteries to veins and help in the exchange of gases, water, nutrients between blood and the tissues and cells. So now we know that circulatory system helps to transport substances to different parts of our body. It includes heart, blood and blood vessels. Thank you.